Now we are going to calculate asphaltic base course. Thickness of 17 centimeter. First of all, we have to make the boundary and then applying the calc area command. 1, enter, select object, enter, location, and then text height. So it's 1.418. Same process we will do for the right side. For area calculation, how many boundaries you have to select all those boundaries. It will automatically calculate. So we will open the calculator for making the total. It's 2.835 square meter. Asphaltic base course. Dear friends, our next step is to calculate the aggregate base course for main carriageway. Before we have already calculated for the shoulders, but now we will calculate for the main carriageway. So I am going to change the color of layer so that you can easily recognize aggregate base boundary. You can see now it's appear in red color. So with the help of calc area command, the area is 2.643 square meter for the left side. For the right side, we have to make different boundaries because NSL is disturbing. So during the calc area command, we have to click on every boundary. So its area is 2.674 square meter. We will open the calculator for making the total. 2.643 plus 2.674 is equal to 5.317 square meter aggregate base course of 20 centimeter thickness. So dear friends, now we are moving to calculate the sub base course. So again we are going to change the color. Now this time I turn it to green color. Boundary, pick point and then enter. After this we are using calc area command and the area is 2.733 for the left side. Also for the right hand side we have to create the boundary in different portions. So for the area calculation we have to click on every part, otherwise it will be missed. So 2.752 square meter for the right side. 2.733 plus 2.752, 5.485 square meter sub base. Our last layer is improved subgrade, thickness of 30 centimeter. So we will create the boundary, enter. Dear friends, you know we can also calculate the area through list command. So it will tell us, if you press the LI enter on the left side under the geometric section, it will tell the area 4.255. So now I will also calculate through calc area command to verify this area in different ways. You see 4.255. So making the boundary for the right hand side, select object to calculate the area, 4.273 for right hand side. So 4.255 plus 4.273. It's 8.528 square meter. Improved subgrade of 30 centimeter thickness.